Hello everyone, it's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my Hobonichi Techo for 2019. I'm very excited. So what we have here is an orange box this year. So what I noticed are these little faces on the boxes and I like the design. I'm glad that they decided to add a design for this. Let's compare it to last year's box. So here's 2018's box from last year and it's yellow and it doesn't have any designs. So we have Hobonichi Techo 2019 and this logo here. It's like a little flag and it says 20th anniversary. So this is their 20th anniversary special, I guess. So let's open it. Yay! Okay, so here is a quote. Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish? Your hope is that salt. Oh, how cute. I think it's the same thing as last year's. Nope, never mind. Okay, now moving on to, oh my goodness, I love this box so much. I can't wait to use this box for all my stickers. Yay! Here's my haul. Okay. I'm just gonna take it out and show you. So here we have a see-through point sticker. I swear to God it was called see-through dot stickers. I usually use this whenever I need to keep track of my dog's medicine in some sorts. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited to use this. So I forgot what it's called, but I wanted this. I think it's stuff to do on your day off. And I think I read some of them on their website. I think this one is to give a speech at the UN. This one is to film, to become an actress. I'm not too sure. I need to look these up. But I love this. It's so cute. I can't wait to use this for my Hobonichi Techo. Next, we have the magnetic bookmarks. I love these. They're so cute. I'm probably going to use this for my textbooks. So here's a stamp, and it comes in this little box. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Wow, it's so cute. Ooh, it's long, like my other stamps. So this is the Hobonichi Techo planner stamp. So for the past year, I've always wondered why they didn't make like a Hobonichi Techo stamp, but they actually did, and I'm so excited to use this. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. So here is the clear cover for my weeks. Oh my goodness, oh, it's so cute. The moment you all been waiting for. Oh my goodness. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm in awe right now. It's really cute. It's so cute in person, guys. So, for the past 2 years, whenever I get the Hobonichi Weeks, I always get like the animal covers. But this year, I was like, you know what? Let's try some cacti. And I'm not disappointed at all. It's so cute. I'm so happy. My heart is happy, guys. Let's compare it with my 2018 weeks. The same, but this one is thicker because I read a lot in it, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. And they have the Hobonichi Jet Stream. I forgot. I think it's the Uniball Jet Stream pen, and it's white this year. Like an off-white and light brown. I can't tell. I'm not sure what this color is, but it's an off-white and a light brown, and I really dig this. I remember last year we had a yellow. I think it was yellow, or it was 2 years ago, but I think it was yellow. And that gave me a headache, so I gave that pen to my mom for her to use. But I'm so glad the color for this year is like not making me dizzy. And last but not least, this Shitajiki. So this is a yes, no pencil board. No, I think I'm just gonna open it. I'll show you guys. Oh no, kind of, okay, got it. I'm probably gonna use this pencil board, I'm not too sure. So here is the yes side and here is the no side. I like this so much. It's so cute. It's so like someone gives me like a yes or no question, I'll be like, no, yes. That's so cute. I'm so glad I got this. And it even matches with my weeks. Ooh, I'm so excited to use this. I want to thank Joy, OHAIJOY, for getting me all this stuff. So we decided to make this a birthday tradition. Thank you so much, Joy, for getting me all of these. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. So that's it for today's video. See you guys soon and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye!